Hi, I'm Inez Simpson. I'm creator of the Simpson protocol, and I'm here to tell you about certification in Simpson protocol and about the actual training. Now, you see behind me, it's looking a little messy. We're all packing up and we're moving. So you won't have to see it for long because we'll go to trusty slides now. Okay, as you see here, there are many SP classes in many countries and many languages with expert trainers. So there's always a place for you to take complete trainings. Right now in English language, there are classes coming up in April and July. You can get all the info at simpsonprotocol.com. Look at the live online training tab in the menu. Right now, for the last year, of course, these trainings are done online, but they are live and fully interactive and have the same amount of practice times and info we used in the in-person training rooms. As I said, don't worry about lots about the practice time in this course. In fact, 75% of the training is students practicing the protocol on each other in all different aspects. We have virtual rooms, and each student will have many sessions of practice, both as hypnotist and client. Trainings are done over 5 or 6 sessions, and they're about 4.5 hours each. The training in 2 parts. Essential, learn the core framework of the process. That's the first weekend. The second weekend gets you to expand the SP process into all sorts of processes: health, chakras, surrogacy with animals, advanced self-hypnosis, and experimenting in SDL and Secord levels. Now, the course is taught online now, and I noticed there's a particular benefit. They're delivered in bite-sized pieces for our segments. The focus is on understanding each part of the process completely before we move on. As the underlying philosophy as SP is simplicity and clarity, it is an easy process to teach and learn online. Each practice is the actual process of SP. And so the student learns how easy it is to now do their own sessions with the client online anytime. No extra expenses of travel or a hotel or hotel food. You get to sit in your own comfortable chair. And for practices, you can lie down on couch or a bed. No hard hotel chairs. As there's less distraction in an online environment, the group tends to bond more than even in-person training and stays connected long after the class has ended to practice and exchange information. There's more benefits now, but I only have one slide. You've been taking the course online, which gives you the benefits of knowing the online sessions with clients. We've been doing this for the last 4 years or so, and it's a lot of benefits to it. Your market becomes worldwide. You will find the client really likes staying in their own space. It's true, even after lockdown is all over. Comfortably sitting or lying down in their home. When a client opens themselves up to the online session, there's some part of them that's taken a great leap as to the power of hypnosis, and you will find the session go smoother and have profound results. They're also, like the end of the session, you can leave them in a wonderful trance state, and you move to the next appointment. No need to kick them out of the office. You'll also find clients are on time, no traffic problems or parking issues. They click and there they are with you. So let's just go through the benefits of the SP as a process. As the underlying philosophy of SP is a simplicity and clarity, it's an easy process to learn and use. SP is a holistic process. It covers everything. As SP hypnosis is a process that connects directly with the client's higher mind and superconscious, and those parts do all the necessary work. The hypnotist renders no judgment and has no need of knowing the underlying problem. One session can cover 3 or more issues. SP uses hypnosis, the client's own mind do the work. Anything attached to the mind can be worked on. Physical disease, mental, emotional, or spiritual. As an SP hypnotist, you know, whatever the client brings you to do, SP can work with that. And even if the hypnotist has no particular knowledge of the issue. Now let's talk about certification. So after the depth of the training in the class, what does certification add? Well, it adds to your supreme confidence that you can do SP for anything the client brings. Certification is one-on-one mentoring to make sure you know every aspect of SP and how to use it in any situation, mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual. If someone has a physical illness or distress, you know how to approach that. If someone comes with an addiction, will know how easy it is to work with. If someone comes with anxiety or stress or depression, they don't even know consciously the cause, you will know again how simple it is to deal with it. As Steen Niels Musha says, the certification process for Simpson protocol is a master class in hypnosis. Join a dedicated group of practitioners that support and help each other move forward. I see my role as someone who wants to help create beneficial and optimum change in people who want to create that change. I can only work with so many clients, of course, but I can reach thousands through well-trained and confident hypnotists and therapists. As we taught more and more people, hypnotists, therapists of all kinds, we are getting more and more calls for extra insights and training, calls for days of practice and experiment, group meeting to talk about new things that they have discovered or worked through with SP. So we've expanded the SP certification process. It's still one-on-one mentoring for 3-month process for certification. But also there's a huge community in so many languages that support each other and offer tremendous community support for anybody using SP. And anyone certified in SP has access to this community and many extras. And as SP is being evolved, it seems to always be reaching for new discoveries and height. And then as an SP certified person, you're always kept up to date with all the new stuff. And now the certification process is the part most sought after by the new class attendees. So that's a great thing to have well-trained, experienced, and confident practitioners helping people is the best. So of course, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you.